Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme 442 Tribute. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here in sunset metallic, black interior. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. But as we walk around this vehicle, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. I'm not going to show you the entire inventory, but just scan it a little bit. About 80% of those cars are domestic classic cars. The other 20% are exotic, luxury, and or European. But back on this 72 Oldsmobile Supreme 442 Tribute. We are a full service dealership, so if you're not in Florida and you happen to like this Oldsmobile Supreme, please give us a call. We can certainly ship this vehicle anywhere in the world. Last year we shipped to about 19 different US states and 9 countries around the world. So we can certainly get this vehicle and any one of our other vehicles shipped to you worldwide. Additionally, if you have financing needs, we do have finance partners, especially for classic cars. We can get you financing for your classic car of your dreams. And we do have some late model lenders that we work with as well. The paint on this Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is just absolutely flawless as we walk around it. I know the pit in the video might be a little dark inside here, but visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We have 7,500 pictures of the vehicle on our website. You'll be able to see the exterior, the underneath, the trunk, the interior, in much better light as the pictures are taken outside. But again, just a beautiful, stunning vehicle here. The paint is in excellent condition. The drivability is the same quality. It does have a 350 V8 with a 350 turbo automatic transmission. Again, this is a 3-owner vehicle. The second owner had owned it for 48 years. And he is the one who restored it in the 442 Tribute, and he did a fantastic job. Restored it extremely well, tastefully done. Again, as I mentioned, the sunset metallic paint looks fabulous outside in the light. The chrome is excellent. It's got MagnaFlow dual exhaust. Factory AC, has been converted over to 134A, as you can see here. Again, just a beautiful vehicle. The 350 has 310 horsepower, was rebuilt to 1970 performance specs of the 442. You can see power brakes, does have power steering. Has had some recent maintenance. You can visit the website for all the details on the recent maintenance that was done. We'll go ahead and get it started up for you. Show you that it is a cold start here. Everything is cold. Go ahead and get it fired up. It does have the his and hers shifter, RPM tech. Odometer shows 6138. Mileage is exempt. Does have a aftermarket radio. The original 8-track does come with the vehicle. It is not in the vehicle, it's in the trunk. Starts right up. Let it warm up a little bit here. But you hear the exhaust. As I mentioned, the MagnaFlow dual exhaust. No smoke, no condensation. Sounds fantastic. A little rumble of the 70s. Just a beautiful, well done 442 tribute. Again, many would not even see the difference between the Cutlass Supreme and this tribute. It's done so well. Engine sounds great. Rev it up just a little bit here. Again, black interior in excellent condition. See the tack there by the clock. Again, kind of and it sounds fantastic. Runs very well. As I mentioned, it does have power brakes. Drum in the rear. And then you have a disc in the front. Again, just a beautiful vehicle. As I mentioned, power brakes, power steering, AC. AC has been converted over. The paint is in excellent condition. Runs very well. A vehicle you can get in, take to a show, and be very proud of the paint and condition of the vehicle. Or you can take it out for a Sunday drive or out to dinner, whichever you prefer, as it meets all those. A show car, something you can certainly drive, very well maintained vehicle. 3-owner, 1972 Cutlass Supreme, 442 tribute. It's got the 350 with the turbo 350 automatic transmission. And again, just an absolutely stunning vehicle. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you.